In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test Shopify checkout. Testing your checkout is an important step before you start accepting real orders. It lets you make sure everything is working smoothly, from adding a product to the cart all the way to placing an order without charging any real credit cards. We'll start inside your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look down to the lower left corner and click on Settings. This is where all your store's backend configuration lives. On the settings page, look at the left-hand panel and find the option called Payments, then click it. At the top of the Payments page, you'll see a section labeled Payment Providers. This is where you control which payment gateways your store uses. Click the button that says Choose a Provider. Shopify will show you a list of third-party payment providers. For testing, you want the one that's specifically labeled as a bogus gateway or test gateway. This is a special provider that pretends to process payments, so nothing is actually charged. Click on that bogus gateway option to open its details page. On that page, scroll down if needed and click the button at the bottom right that says Activate or Install. Once you do this, the bogus gateway will be enabled for your store and you're ready to run a test checkout. Now, head back to your main Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, find Online Store. Hover your mouse over it and you'll see an eye icon appear to the right. Click that eye icon to preview your live storefront as a customer would see it. Wait for your online store to load fully. Once the store is open, click on any product to view its product page. From here, you can either add the product to your cart and then go to the cart page, or you can click Buy It Now to jump straight into the checkout. Either way, wait for the checkout page to load. On the checkout page, enter a sample email address or mobile number. This doesn't need to be real, but use a format that looks correct so Shopify accepts it. Then fill in some sample delivery details. Choose a country or region, type in a name, an address, a postal code, and a city. Under the Payments section, make sure to select the bogus gateway as your payment method. For the card number, you can simply type the number 1. For the expiration date, choose any date in the future, and for the CVV, enter any 3 digits. You can also type any name for the card holder. Once all the fields are completed, click Pay Now. Shopify will process this as a test transaction using the bogus gateway. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see the order confirmation page, just like a real customer would. This confirms that your checkout flow is working end to end without processing any real payments.